Hello, my name is Alexander Hunt III. I'm TE Connectivity's America's Product Manager for our lighting portfolio that you see here on the table. And today I want to welcome you to our lighting virtual trade show, Light It Up 2.1. Today we're going to focus our attention on our wire-to-wire and wire-to-board product part of our portfolio. It's very extensive, so we're going to take the next few minutes and let's first look at the wire-to-board products. When we first think of our TE wire-to-board products, we think of our Pokin style interconnect solutions. We have a product that we've developed that's fully releasable, it's side-by-side stackable, and even more importantly, it's designed and color-coded so that customers can actually use these in a terminal block type of configuration. What differentiates us from our competitor is the fact that our release mechanism is actually on the terminal. So therefore, it's less likely to be damaged during shipping, packaging, or in activating the release mechanism to remove the wire. Now we make this product in a single position, 2 position, 3 position, or in a 2 position, but spaced out on a 3 position for higher voltage applications. Additionally, we have looked at opportunities to develop the product to make it even lower profile. So we developed an inverted version of this releasable Pokin interconnect that you can see on the underside of the board in front of me. The nice thing about this product is it actually reduces the top side dimension of the interconnect solution, but provides the mating portion on the underside of the board. And once again, it's available in color so that it can once again be side-by-side stackable and color coordinated based on the customer application. Even with that, there are opportunities where customers want an even lower cost wire-to-board solution. So we actually develop slim contacts. These are individual contacts, no housing, but they are tape and reel packaged and surface mounted for fast assembly to the PC board. When you look at this type of product, we have it in various versions. We have an ultra miniature for 20 to 24 gauge wire applications, and we have a larger version that's releasable for 18 to 22 gauge solid and 10 stranded wire. These type of opportunities are finding a home in a number of indoor lighting applications where real estate is at a premium in the lighting application designer's application itself. Now, once you have this product on the board, there's other opportunities for other wire-to-board type of products that TE manufactures. Some of those products include our IDC SSL connector. This is a product wherein a customer may need a more robust termination of that wire to the board. Once again, it's surface mounted to the board at the same time the LEDs are placed, but this product actually offers a higher retention due to 2 independent IDC slots, which provides 4 points of contact to the wire. In this type of product, unlike the previous product, you do not need to strip the insulation away from the product to make the termination, because the interconnect, when fully closed and fully seated, it provides an insulation displacement type of connection that pierces through the insulation to make contact with the bare wire inside. We have this product available in a 1, 2, 3, and 4 position, and as you can see here, it accepts 18, 20, 22, and 24 gauge. What's also unique about this product is the fact that we have this product developed in a closed-in and a pass-through application. The pass-through are for applications where customers want to daisy chain a number of light engine boards together with individual wires, and then we have a closed-in version so that the last connection is not exposed. One of the other wire-to-board products that TE introduced is a modular screwless terminal blocks. The nice thing about these type of products, it's footprint compatible with the de facto standard product that's been available in the market for years. This is the type of product that's being used extensively in LED driver applications. And as you can see, they come in varying configurations on varying center lines from 2.5 all the way up to 5.08 millimeters. It's available in releasable styles, multicolored, based on the wire combination that the lighting designer chooses. When it comes to this type of product, I would just suggest that you send TE an inquiry on the different type of product that you're currently using, maybe from the competitor there, or the product that you're considering using in your design. And then we can work with you, our sales engineering team can work with you to pick one that's footprint compatible for your application. As I said before, if you're using a competitive product, we can pick the right part number for you, provide you with samples and pricing that you will find will be very competitive in the marketplace with what you may be using or considering using for this type of application. Once again, it's our modular screwless type of interconnect solution, wire to board, and it's releasable. Another one of the connections is our inverted through-board connector. It's a smaller version of our high-powered connector that we saw previously, but once again, it's surface mounted to the top side of the board, but the connection is made to the underside of the board using our mini CT type solution. This is actually a wire type of application showing the inverted through-board connector as well as the mini CT. What makes this product attractive is the fact that in a number of applications, customers need to make a connection to the top side of the board, and then they find that they need to put a hole in the board to drape the wires through to get to the underside. This type of solution provides not only a friction fit mating to the underside of the board, but it addresses the wire management issues customers have and makes that a non-issue because the wire management happens beneath the board. So once again, another interconnect solution from TE Connectivity. We have numerous other opportunities for customer wire to board connections, and some of those applications are actually visible on this board. We actually have our high-powered inverted through-board connector. Once again, you can see it's surface mounted to the top side of the board, but very low profile. The connection is made on the underside of the board, and it's made using our EP2 connection. This is a connection of the top side mounted board connection as well as the wire connection. It's a latch style connection, so it provides a very robust termination, especially in applications where customers are concerned about inadvertent mating or dismating of the interconnect. We offer this type of product as well as we have a smaller version of the interconnect, and it's called our inverted through board connector.